The bubbles.
I already loaded the.
I don't know how many watching. No? I'm at 1,000.
I just got it last week. I found it for $100. I was like, oh heck yeah.
You should like get a little hot shoe mount for it
And put it on the top of my camera.
So you could get the POV.
It's so little. It is so little. It's crazy.
I
Oh,
only got one.
it tries to track my face.
I sure don't.
You can't track my face with a camera in front of it.
Well, it's tracking something. It's just doing its own thing.
Every time I go in there, I get a headache.
That's why I was like, because like I have the like. Yo, the mini. Is that the D-Look?
Kitty.
Is this the new $30 toy?
It is.
Insane. It works?
It does.
I feel like I got bubbles all over my face. What'd you say?
Where do you work? Never gonna get an answer.
Yeah, usually a dog that small doesn't stop barking.
Forever.
Never.
Bad as shit on a bun down.
I like the spider.
Will with his little braids.
That's a new can?
It is.
How exciting. Oh.
It smells like Will. Ugh. I don't know how I'm going to include this since I'm going to have to blur her out, but... A bubble in my ear. Woohoo! You kill the person who has the bubble camera and then you win.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, kitty. Oh, the bubbles scared the cat.
Oh. Hi, cute little camera. Oh, no.
What is that? A camera for ants? No port.
And Grace, everyone inside those four are good. 3, 2, 1. Awesome.
Somebody's trying to take a picture of me.
I think they're succeeding.
What are you shooting with today?
Got the Tokina 50 to 135.
Oh,
Crisp.
the cinema lens?
It does the zoom. It does the cinema lens on the. Where is it?
God, it's so big.
On the T6.
On the T6? Oh my god.
Yeah. It's been a while since I've been here. Yeah.
I'll check out.
Cutie patootie moment?
Your good luck monkey brain? You ever seen this?
Monkey brains.
That was nice. What?
Oh, we're in video right now?
Stop! Not video. Oh my god.
I hate being recorded.
Oh, it's the worst.
Take another one. Boom. Oh, what? I'm gonna have to blur that. This is a children's channel.
Dude, stop following me.
Oh, we're going to the gas station.
No bubbles, not?
Sure, give me the bubbles. What?
Tiny contraption.
What do you want from me? Leave me alone! Ah! Alright,
do you use
I'm
something
gonna
to look up
put
people's
it in
bubbles?
your mouth. Huh? Oh, gross. You know, you're right. I should get myself in here more.
You really should care about yourself. You'd name him Coco. If I had a blueberry, what would you name him? Miss Piggy. Probably like if I had.
I'm filming Will.
You should do that. That's a really good idea.
So true.
That's not that. Yes.
Get some help.
That's so bad. An announcement.
The walk ended a little bit earlier today, right? Yeah. But I think the plan is same thing, chameleons or gelato.
Well, no, I appreciate you telling me. Sometimes you gotta like have some
Yes, girl.
Is there context to that?
I stopped at
Blinker. Left turn, right turn, I'm doing both.
Yo.
Oh my god, is it good?
Are you fucking filming me, bro? Dude, that's illegal. I'm in public. I'm in public. That is illegal. Ow! Sorry.
End of the walk. Oh, it stopped tracking me. What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? I don't know how to video. Do not operate while shooting.
Hey, eyes up here, buddy.
All right.
My mom was like, you have to keep
It's a great start to the video.
the legs down. I was like, I can't because I was
Bruh.
the day before. Were you recording my phone?
I am now.
No, but the day before, all I could eat was raw for a while. And then
Hey.
Don't buy it. It's literally as wide as it's not even as wide as your iPhone. Yeah, I think the GoPro like 12 has the front screen too, but that's the biggest feature. And the GoPro mount folds down, so you can use it on normal tripods. You don't have to buy all the